So friends, now the pending the functionality is like we have the add a new row and the delete. So insert the new record and the delete record. So edit is completed now. So let's focus on the add now. So what we have done here, if we have id, then we are guessing it is an existing one. So let's make add else part. For this, what we have to do, we have to get max id from the existing one. So const max id to max dot max. In here we have what will do this dot state dot all data dot map. What we have to map? Item dot id. And what we have to do, we have to do const max equal to, or we can say id equal to max id plus 1. So always this will be fetch the max id number, and then as we have to write or insert a new record, so we should have a new id. So it should be a max id plus 1 from existing record. So now, so here we have to create const new so I'm just copying this again. So all are same, just we have to put new. Now same thing we have to do, we have to set state in here. Just we have to append new array. That's it. So let's check this one. If I am adding new record is the title, happy to insert new record information, price is anything, and the company is my company. So let's check this one. Oh yes, but we have an issue with the company column. We are not getting the data here. Let's check it. So got it, we have spell mistake here. No, it is fine. So let's check it once again. Put record, happy to add, price is anything, company also anything. Let's check this one. Oh yes, now we are able to add a new record as well. So now remaining one is like we have to delete the record. So for delete a particular record, what we are calling here, for delete we are calling the on delete function, and we are passing the id. So let's make it into the context.js. So here on delete we are getting the id let's create the const temp product equal to this dot state dot all data dot filter. We have to use the filter item dot id is not equal to id, given id, and what we have to do, just this dot set state. This is quite simple. Then all data temp product. So let's check it out. So if I have this data and if we want to delete the third row, let's delete. No, I have some issue. Value dot on it is not a function. Okay, so again we missed that. We have to pass this into the value. So on delete this dot on delete. Now it should work as expected. So if we want to delete the third row, yes, we can delete the multiple as well. And if we want to insert, new record, nice info, any. So if we add, yeah, we have added a new row. And if you want to edit, we can edit new record 1, anything, guys 344, nice information, and we can update. Yeah, so if we edit again, facility 504 LG smart, and if I click on save, it should update the second row. Yes, it is updating the second row, and fields are empty, and again reset to the admin row. So this is what we were expecting, and now we have implemented our CRUD operation with the help of context API, then the React and the Bootstrap. If you want, while watching this tutorial, you can pause, you can try your own, then only you will get a little bit confident about how it is going to work. So this is all about. So thanks to all for watching this. Happy journey.